Hi guys, I'm coming to you today with a Temu nail haul. So the first item is these lint-free wipes, and there's 300 pieces in there, and they are or were $2.34 at the time of purchasing. They actually feel really soft and good quality. I wouldn't say they're thick, but they are thicker than the other ones that I have that I got a long time ago. So I'm really happy with this purchase. So I would recommend these. Next, I have some press-on nails. I've been getting into these a lot lately and I thought these were adorable. So I'll just go through each one of them, and I will show you in future videos what they look like on the nails and how sometimes I jazz them up a little bit. So these ones are I can't quite see. Let me just open them and pull them out while I find the price and which nails they are. Oh, so these are the long curved green metallic nail tips in water drop shape, and these were $2.63. So they are quite long, quite curved, and they have like a chrome look to them, which I'm going to blend with some of the other green nails. So I'm going to wear them together, and like I said, I will show some pictures. I've got a website I've got an Instagram page that I sort of put all the looks on, but I will do a video there where you can sort of see how they look like on. But these I thought were really pretty, and they look pretty much exactly like they do on the website. And I'm going to pair them with these ones, which are the green bamboo leaf vein press-on nails teardrop shape, and they are $2.60. They do come with these sticky pads and a little file, like pretty much all of them come with that. And those leaf vein ones on the picture, they do show a 3D sort of look to them, which these do not. So these kind of have more of a two-dimensional look, but they're still really pretty. I will show you a picture of what they look like on the website. But these, sorry, not in shot, there we go. You can still see that they do have a leaf print. So I'm going to use some of them as feature nails with the chrome green. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out. And for the price, you know, they're amazing. So that's those two. And the next ones I've got here are the reflective glitter cat eye press-on nails, green leaf pattern, $2.90. And I got these. I was thinking, you know, which ones I would sort of match together, but I actually like these on their own. They have a really cat eye effect. So when you hold them up to the light, they're sort of black on the inside, and then I'll show you, and I take one out and hold it up to the light. You'll see that they really are reflective, and they're so pretty. I think I'm just going to wear these ones like as a full set on their own. See how they reflect? They're just gorgeous. I love them. So I can't wait to try those ones on, and I will shorten all of these. I'll take pictures of what they look like at their full length, because some people do like to wear long nails, but I don't, because I just, like I've said in many videos, I'm really rough with my hands and I knock them about and they annoy me, so I won't have them super long. I'll trim them down, but look how pretty they are. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They're probably one of my favorites. And this is the last of the press-on nails that I got in this haul. I am wearing some that I got in my last haul, which I didn't do a video on, but I love those as well. Now these they do look a bit different to what's on the website. I felt that they were a lot shorter, which is good for me because I prefer them to be shorter, but they looked a lot more. I will put up a picture so you can see what I mean, but they're still pretty. The glitter on them is very rough, like on top of the surface you can feel all the glitter, and it's very like it's just been glued on, which is fine. I will probably put a top coat on that, and I will file down anything sharp on the edges. But I really thought these were pretty because they looked really natural on. Like, I was actually using these press-on nails as inspiration for designs on my natural nails, but because my nails are so damaged at the moment and I have to keep them short, I have to wait till they grow again before I can recreate these designs on my own nails. But in the meantime, I'll have fun wearing them, and I will put up videos for when I do actually can recreate them on my own nails. So guys, what did you think of those press-on nails? Now the next item I've got to show you is just a gel nail polish. It is C006 color, I believe. I'll link it down below, and it was $1.98. And I got this color because, as I mentioned in those last press-on nails, I wanted to recreate that design on my own nails, and I didn't have that color. So I am slowly purchasing more colors so that I've got, you know, various range of colors to use for particular nail designs. So you can see it's very similar to the color of those press-on nails. So I'll let you know how that goes, but I've used a lot of these cheap gel polishes before, and I've had no problems with them at all. So I don't expect that I'll have any problems with this one either. And here is the next item that I got to also help create that design. So it is coffee brown shiny nail art glitter powder of 10 grams, and it's $1.54. So on the picture you can see, well, that looks more gold on those press-on nails, but on the actual picture design it looks more of that coffee color. So that's why I got that, and I will definitely, now that I have all the product, as soon as my nails are long enough, I will create that design, and I will be sure to put pictures. So feel free to go and check me out on Instagram too, at Easy Nails by Rachel Lee. And you'll be able to see all of the nail pics and the press-ons that I do there. Now this next one is another gel, but it's quite heavy actually. It's got a decent amount of weight in it, and this is the pink, it's like a nude color, so a neutral color, and I got that. That is the ice inspired gradient nail polish nude, was $2.80, and I got that for, obviously, again, recreating nail designs that have like a nude base. Now this one is the peel off base coat. So I got this one to try to put underneath the press-on nails to see if I could get them off easier, and I forgot to do that before I applied the ones that I've got on currently, which I'm really disappointed in because I'm probably going to wreck them getting them off. So I will let you know how that one goes, and that was $4.16. It's a UV LED soak off easy peelable varnish, and these were the set that I got with the latex to put around my skin. Came in a set of 2, and that was so that, you know, if I do use that nail polish gel polish remover, just so that it doesn't get onto my skin. I mentioned in an earlier video that I was going to get one of those, and it came in a set, so I thought, why not get these? Now these were, so I've got a list here, I'm just trying to find where this one is. Oh yep, it's a 2-piece set, $5.74. And the gel polish remover says that it removes it in 2.5 minutes, but that is yet to be seen because I don't think I've ever found one that removes it in that length of time. Be sure to let you know if it does. The next item I'm reviewing or purchased is these they're practice nails, or you can use them to put your nail polishes on and and you can write on them what the colors are so that you know which polish is what in your collection. So I might use them both ways. I actually bought 2 packets by accident, and they were both actually different packets. So I had a packet of each of these in my cart, and they're just different shapes, but they were can't find where I've put the price of those. $2.73. Sorry about that. I had their swatches. So I had two of those. I can't remember which one is which in terms of the price, but they're very similar in price. And then the next thing I got was these short coffin clear nails. So they're full nails and they have a little bit of like matte sort of roughage, and I gather that probably helps them stick. So I thought these would be really handy for me while I am growing out my nails if I do want to do a design and I need a bit of length, that they're not too long and I'll be able to just sort of wear them and create my design. And if I want to do some filming and show you colors and stuff like that, it'll be easy enough to do that. I'm really hoping this peel off base coat helps in terms of getting these nails off easy, because I've really been having trouble getting them off with this Kmart glue. So, but I'm going to give you an update on that. And in regards to the price on those, they are $2.68 and there's 120 pieces in there. So that's pretty good value. Can't go wrong with that. Now the next product is these little diamonds or diamantes or jewels, whatever you want to call them. They are all different sizes. So you've got larger ones. Like in one of my previous videos, I have a little wheel of different colored ones, but they're all small. And one of the designs that I put on there just didn't work with just all small. They needed to have the different size jewels. So I just had to get these. Now these are European and American style rhinestone nail decoration, large and small mixed, flat bottom, $2.54. And on one side they're all just like clear diamond colored, and on the other side they're like multicolored or almost like Austrian crystals. So they're really pretty and so cheap for the amount of pieces. You get 1,840 pieces in that kit. So I am very happy with that. So I will be using those in my designs moving forward. And next up we have these little decals, which I'm going to use for nail designs. I thought these were gorgeous. Can't wait to use them. They are 5D embossed seashell and starfish nail art decals, and they're self-adhesive, and they are $1.23 if I can get them out the packet. I'll just tear it open. It's just one sheet, that's all you get, but there's quite a few decals, and they're holographic. I'm not sure if you can really see it properly through the camera, but they're so pretty. And I mean, I live right near the beach, so I can't wait to do a bit of a beach look with these nails. I might just need to choose what other colors I'm going to use with it. Maybe a purple or maybe aqua. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm going to do with those, but I got those to add to my collection of decals. And these ones too, because I'm a plant lover. So these are 5D green leaf nail art stickers, self-adhesive with matte finish, and they are $1.29. So again, so cheap, and you just get one sheet. These are clear, and I was thinking of either putting them on a clear background while my nails are short, or maybe like a milky white or nude background. Again, I will post pictures of all of these, and I plan on doing a video. I'm just putting it together slowly, where I've got all the press on nails and everything done and put on, just so that it's a quick video without talking, just showing what they look like. So that'll be coming up in the future once I've sort of tried them all out. So that is the nail decals, and I think that's pretty much all I've got in this haul to show you. So tell me what you think of the stuff that I've bought. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll leave all the links down below of all the products, so that if you are interested in them, you'll be able to find them easily. And yeah, love to hear your feedback. I will be putting out more videos as soon as I can. I'm going to be trying that nail remover product again with these nails in a video coming up soon. So if you're interested in that, look out for that. Otherwise, I'll see you soon, guys.